Is your mouse cursor jumping around in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 3 fixes to solve this annoying issue. Let's get your cursor back under control. Click on Windows plus R, then type CMD, and click on Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run it as administrator. Type sfc/scano, then click Enter. Now wait until the process is finished and check if the problem is fixed. At first, right-click on the Windows key and click on the Run. Then type main.cpl and hit Enter. In the mouse properties, go to the Pointer Options tab. Then uncheck the option Enhance Pointer Precision. After that, click on Apply and then on OK. At first, right-click on the Windows key and click on the Run. Then type main.cpl and hit Enter. In the mouse properties, go to the Pointer Options tab. Uncheck Hide Pointer while typing. Click on Apply and OK. Press the Windows key plus R, type devmgmt.msc and hit Enter. When the Device Manager opens up, expand Mice and other pointing devices. Right-click on the mouse device and click on Uninstall Device. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.